This is a review of the Bandmax chain that I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on. In this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there, we are also going to test this product out. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so here's the chain right over here. You can see here, it's a beautiful black chain. And then right over here comes with the bag. And then the box here itself too. But now what we're going to do now is we are going to wear this on to see how well it looks. Okay, so here's the finished results, and this is the black chain right over here. You can see here how beautiful it looks and turns out. I love the fact that it's not too big, not too small, fits in the right amount of size to my neck, and it feels and looks very nice and high quality as well too. It will definitely look good if you're wearing a white shirt or anything in white particular, since if you wear black then it hides and you don't really see it as much. But you can see the chains right over here. It's a small lightweight chain, which I love. I love the fact that if you're looking for a chain that's lightweight, not too heavy, then I would definitely recommend the Bandmax chains because of the fact they're super lightweight and they don't have a whole lot of weight onto it, and it just feels very nice as well too, and not anything too big. As you know, as you guys know, chains, there's some chains that are very big. This is not anything like that. It's a super lightweight chain, and yeah, if you're looking for a super lightweight chain and it looks nice and it has a black contrast, then I would definitely recommend the Bandmax chain.